Hello guys, today we prepare a very easy recipe. We will do a walnuts pickled in brandy. I hope that is the right name. This recipe is from my friend Monica. Thank you Monica for this recipe. I a little bit modified, but now I'll show you why I modified it. So first of all, if you find the fresh walnuts is better. You can open with a classic one, but sometimes you destroy the nuts. So with a knife, without, this is a butter knife, so it's very difficult, that is dangerous for you, but be careful. You put inside here, and after you hear this sound, and you do like this, and voila. And the nuts is open without destroy the nuts. If you broke the nuts, don't worry. You see? Perfect. And you put in your container. But now let's see the ingredient. You need the nuts to fill the jar. After, you need to make a syrup. For sure the pronunciation is wrong. 50% sugar, 50% water. So now we use 75 grams of water and 75 grams of sugar. I will add also 1 teaspoon of honey and a little bit of the skin of the orange. Carlos also want to say something. When the sugar is melted, we pour the syrup inside the jar until half of our jar. After we complete with the brandy, we close, and tomorrow I will do the tasting. Naturally, if you leave few days, is always better because the nuts take the taste from the brandy. But let's do it, it's very easy. See you tomorrow. Spectacular, because when you crush the nuts, the alcohol from the brandy that is inside mix with the cheese. Spectacular. Plus, I will do this kind of aperitivo with the homemade dates wine. Spectacular, especially with the sunset from Salento, Puglia. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to share this video with your friends. For any question, down in the comments. Bye bye. Thanks again to Monica. Bye bye Monica, see you soon.